Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you some other Farkles that I got shipped in from WRS. The DBK Handlebar Clamp kit, right? So it's going to be black. It says DBK on the side. These are beautifully machined. I told you in an earlier video I was thinking about going with a blue theme as well to kind of break it up a little bit and also kind of match the the BMW logo. DBK makes it in the BMW blue. These are handlebar caps, or they're bar ends that go in between the protector and the grip. They're in blue. The oil filler plug as well in blue, and the Cardan protector in blue. So I'm going to throw these on and show you guys what they look like. All right guys, so here they are all mounted up. Let's start with the handlebar clamps. So this is what the black ones look like, the DBKs. I love their product. You know, I use them a lot on my Ducatis. Make phenomenal quality stuff. Billet. They're anodized. It's great. Never turns purple. I like the little flares of DBK everywhere. So when you look at it from the front, you'll see that it's just adds more black to the bike. I think they look great. So those are the handlebar clamps. Let's move over to the bar end weights, right? So a little quick note on these bar end weights, right? They are 60 grams versus the stock ones being 52. So it's an 8-gram difference. So it could possibly help with any kind of handlebar vibrations because they are a little bit heavier. So just something to note. Might not make a world of difference, but they are a little bit heavier, right? Couple them with the DBK handguard protectors. There you have it. You know, I just wanted to add a little bit of blue flare. There's nothing wrong with adding some flare to it. So that's what they look like on the handlebars. Just adding a little bit more blue to match the BMW blue in the logo. So there you have it. Kind of differentiates my bike a little bit as well. Added in the oil filler plug in blue. Again, just adding a little bit more flare. These are easy mods. The whole thing just took me like 10 minutes. And here is the Cardan protector. There you go. A little bit of blue flare down here as well. Easy peasy to install. So that's it. I'm almost done with customizing the bike. I don't know if I could buy any more things except, when the carbon fiber parts start coming out. And I want to add, 5 to 6 more horsepower by adding more carbon fiber parts. So there you have it, guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks again for subscribing to the channel. And we'll talk soon.